Greetings, class. I wanted to take just a few minutes to look at the calendar with you. The next 3 weeks will move quickly, I am sure. So we are currently in Module 13, and when we look at Module 13, there are 3 chapters assigned in Melnick and Overholt. We do have a discussion thread this week. There is a discussion question you should respond to prior to the end of the day on Tuesday. You will also be required to make 2 peer posts prior to the end of the day on Saturday. But other than that, there are no assignments due this week other than your discussion board posts. When we move into Module 14 does run over 2 weeks, November 20th to December 2nd. Please note, we do not have a discussion thread that first week. However, that first week, your city training verification of completion should be submitted, and that is due prior to November 23rd. When we look at the second week in Module 14, which runs from November 27th to December 2nd, now that is an abbreviated week because we end on Friday, your Chapter 1 is due Friday, December 2nd at 11:59 p.m. So please submit that into Brightspace, and do not forget to use the Scholarly Project template. Now, that second week in Module 14, there will also be a discussion thread. I'm asking that you provide a brief overview of your Chapter 1 and that overview be a video thread. And so you might choose to do a voice PowerPoint, but do keep your overview to a minimum of 5 minutes. And so you will post that prior to November 29th, and then respond to 2 peers' presentations by the end of the day on Friday. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to seeing you online. Thank you.